The battle is heating up literally. DJI just slashed prices, and guess what? Insta360's CEO actually apologized for it. On October 13th, Insta360 CEO JK Liu posted on Weibo saying, DJI's massive price cuts may have something to do with us. And to make it up, he's offering 100 yuan Insta360 coupons to anyone who bought a DJI product between October 2nd and 8th. Even better, 2 lucky fans will win either a full DJI Osmo package or an Insta360 camera bundle. Talk about a marketing masterstroke. Just a few days earlier, DJI's price drops had already become a viral sensation in China, with some products down by as much as 900 yuan, and the Pocket 3 now starting at just 2,799 yuan. DJI called it an early Double 11 promotion. But Insta360's apology reignited the fire and made the rivalry impossible to ignore. Make no mistake, this is not a one-off. According to industry data, Insta360's global market share soared from 28.4% to 35.6% in 2024, while DJI slipped from 19.1% to 13.2%. The balance of power is shifting. Liu has mentioned DJI more than once. He said, DJI is stronger than most people think. But running to see the top runner makes you faster too. After Insta360 announced its first 360-degree drone, DJI fired back with a 360 camera of its own. This isn't just competition, it's an all-out showdown. From throwing cash at employees to apologizing for rivals, JK Liu has become one of China's boldest tech CEOs. And this DJI versus Insta360 story? It's far from over.